If you have a situation where all your team leader and manager knows is basically what they've learned, they work in a silo, they work in a little area. So after a year, you get bored, you go to your boss and you say, what more is there? And I say, well, sorry, mate, that's it. There is nothing else, meaning that's all I know as a team leader. So then somebody goes somewhere else, right? So it's self-inflicted damage. It's just not necessary, right? If you invest in your people, you let them have responsibility, you give them budgets, you let them take complete ownership, then this attrition rate will diminish rapidly, right? But unfortunately, most companies just see low cost, right? And that's as far as it goes. And then they blame the younger folk for leaving. Actually, it's not the younger folk; it's the senior manager's fault, right? It's like everything, isn't it? Your children, younger people only inherit from their parents, right? So if we look at it like this, as senior managers, older managers, and these are our children, if you like, this is what we've done. It's not what they've done, it's the environment that we've created.